Shopify Metafields Explained 2026 tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you what Shopify Metafields are and how to use them to add custom information to your store without touching a single line of theme code. Shopify only gives you a fixed set of default fields for things like title, price, and description. But what happens when you need to show something extra like a care guide, a size chart, or ingredient list? That's exactly what metafields are for. Let's break down how they work. Step 1. Understand what a metafield actually is. It's a custom key value pair you attach to a resource like a product, collection, customer, or order. Think of it as an extra storage pocket for information Shopify doesn't include by default. Step 2. Go to your Shopify admin and navigate to Settings, then Custom Data or Metafields and MetaObjects depending on your version. Here you'll see the different resource types you can add metafields to, like products, collections, or customers. Step 3. Click Add Definition and choose your resource, for example products. You'll then decide between a standard definition or a custom one. Step 4. If Shopify already has a pre-built standard definition that fits what you need, use that first. Standard definitions are supported across apps and themes, making them far more reliable than building something custom from scratch. Step 5. If there's no standard option that fits, create a custom definition instead. You'll need to name it, set a namespace and key as its unique identifier, and choose a content type such as text, number, date, or file. Step 6. Once your definition is saved, add actual values to your products. This is where you fill in the real data, like typing in the actual care instructions or size details for each item. Step 7. Display your metafield on your storefront. Go to Online Store, then customize your theme, navigate to the Product Information section, and add a new block. Choose the dynamic source icon and select your metafield to make it appear on the live product page. Here's a pro tip. If you're managing a large catalog with hundreds or thousands of products, don't add metafield values one by one. Use a bulk editor or an app built for bulk imports to update everything at once and save yourself hours of manual work. So that's how Shopify Metafields work and how you can use them to build smarter, more detailed product pages without needing a developer. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more Shopify tutorials, and let me know in the comments, what kind of custom data are you planning to add to your store?